Hello everyone, welcome back to AI Vidya. Today we will study about two different machine learning types, that is supervised machine learning and unsupervised machine learning. In the last video we have studied about the basics of Python and Python libraries, which includes NumPy, Pandas and Matplotlib. Now, we will move towards the machine learning algorithms and mathematical model. So, let's begin with the supervised machine learning. Supervised machine learning. In supervised machine learning, we will train our model on labeled data. So, what is this labeled data? Labeled data is a data that has input, both input and output values. Let's understand this labeled data with an example. Suppose we have a task of predicting house prices. For this purpose, we are going to take a data set as shown in this figure. This data set contains house size, house location, and this is the price which we want to predict. These two columns come under the category of input data, and the last column, that is we are going to predict, act as output data. This is somewhat we called as labeled data. In the machine learning program, we are going to input this input data into a machine learning model. This input data is labeled data, and this is our ML program. In the output, we will get the prices, that is output value. Now we will see that the supervised machine learning algorithms are divided into two types, that is regression and classification. We have seen the example of regression, that is predicting house prices. In this regression, we will predict a real value. In the regression, we will predict a real value. In this, the output changes as per the input, but the output comes out to be a real valued example. For the classification task, we will predict the discrete value. Here, output variable is a discrete value. For example, consider we have given an image in which some digits are printed. So this digit is printed. Here you can see that the 7 is printed. In this classification task, we have given the sets of images and we need to find the corresponding digits present in the image. We can see that for every image there is only one discrete value which belongs to this interval. That is from 0 to 9. So every image can take only one possible value from these values. Therefore, this is a classification problem. So we have got the basic differences between classification and regression. That is regression and classification. What is this difference? Real value prediction. And in the classification, discrete value prediction. So this is a basic difference between both regression and classification. Now we are going to study about unsupervised machine learning. In unsupervised machine learning, we are going to deal with unlabeled data. Unlabeled data. In supervised machine learning, we have dealt with labeled data where every input has a corresponding label. But in unsupervised machine learning, we are going to deal with a data set of somewhat like this that has rows and columns, but there is no label, there is no corresponding label to any data value. That is, every data value is an input value. There is no label corresponding to this data value. So we will simply pass this data to our machine, input data to our machine. I'm going to use unsupervised ML program, and it will predict, or we can say that it will analyze the data. The prediction part we have done in the supervised part. It is just going to visualize the data in some form of charts. It is going to plot some clusters telling the similarity of the data points present in the data set or some other kind, such as reducing the dimensionality. So it will take the data and just make a analysis. Now we are going to study two types of unsupervised machine learning algorithms, that is clustering technique and another is dimensionality reduction. So what is this clustering? In clustering, we will take the data and give it to our program, ML program, and it will plot the data in the form of clusters. Like it will plot the similar data to each other. Like it forms a single cluster and some other point it will form the another clusters and some other point it will form the cluster. This will help us to analyze the relations between the data points, like how these data are related to each other. So this is the most basic example of unsupervised machine learning technique. The another technique is dimensionality reduction. In most of the cases when we are dealing with the real world data, the number of columns in our data set may range from 1000 to 10,000. So in this case, if we are training our ML program, it will take large amount of time. So we use dimensionality reduction techniques to reduce it to 2 or 3 dimensions. These dimensions preserve the data. These dimensions preserve the data of those 100 or 1000 dimensions, but in a reduced space. So this will make our training process faster. So this is the brief overview of unsupervised and supervised machine learning. Now we have studied about a basic introduction of supervised and unsupervised machine learning, and we have noted the few differences between them. So let's list out them. First of all, this is supervised machine learning and unsupervised machine learning. The supervised machine learning deals with labeled data and unsupervised with unlabeled data. The another differences we have noted is this supervised machine learning is used for regression and classification. And this unsupervised machine learning is used for analysis of data and dimensionality reduction. Now we have reached to the end of this video. In the next video, we are going to start with the basic classification and regression algorithms. So, if you like my video, then please like it, share it, and subscribe to my channel. For any queries, please list out them in the comment section. I will definitely answer them. Till then, thank you.